Jack here, and in this one we're looking at the Urban Drift E-200 electric scooter, or e-scooter. It is an electric scooter for kids. Now, full disclosure, it was sent to me for free for an honest review. We're gonna open it up, show you some of the functions and features, and talk about why I think it's a solid option. Let's check it out. You've got all your accessories in one little baggie, including your instruction manual. Do be sure to read through it carefully, as all the information you need is gonna be in there, including information on how to set it up and how to charge the scooter, your wall charger to charge the lithium-ion battery, a handy little adjustment wrench, and a multi-tool, including a screwdriver and 3 different hex key sizes. With the scooter removed from the packaging, this is what it's gonna look like. We're gonna remove the final pieces of packaging and set it up. Now, setting up the scooter and making it ready to ride is as simple as 1, 2, and 3. First step, pinch the lever and pull up on the handlebar assembly. And then we'll pop down the kickstand to support the device. And then the final 2 steps are the grip modules. We're gonna work together to assemble this. We'll lift up the handles, push in the button, insert it into the slot, kind of twist it back and forth until it locks into place. And then we'll go ahead and lock it down like this. And like that, the scooter is assembled. All that's left to do is adjust the handlebars to her height and get riding. We're gonna go off of the height of her waist, so we'll go ahead and pull this up to the middle spot. In the middle, you'll see the gold thing will pop through one of the 3 holes, and then we'll go ahead and tighten down the blue clamp here, and we're just about ready to go. Now, the 180 watt motor in the Urban Drift E-200 is quick and fun and provides up to 10 miles an hour speed for kids up to 220 pounds. Again, the handle is very adjustable with 3 to 4 different adjustment points and up to 36 inches of height, meaning the scooter will grow with your child and provide a lot of fun over the maximum amount of time possible. Now, as you saw, because the scooter folds down so small, it's super easy to transport. Fold it down, put it in your trunk, drive to a park, pull it out, set it up, and in just a moment, your kid will be riding and having a great time. Now, the 7-color RGB breathing lights is also a really nice touch that provides not only a really cool effect and style, but also great visibility, especially at night, which is really important when your kid is out riding the scooter. The rear disc brake is another great feature and provides plenty of stopping power on this scooter, so that not only can you go fast, but you can stop fast as well. All things considered, the Urban Drift E-200 is a really solid scooter. Are you having fun with it?
Yes, I am.
And if you're in the market, I think it's a really solid option. I hope this video helps your purchase decision. Thanks so much for watching.